Another beautiful Sunday. I have some things to do with my car. I have to change the thermostat. It's very ridiculous that Volvos, mostly German cars or European cars, are usually very complicated. On a very regular car, you'll find a thermostat somewhere very easy to find, but on this case, now you have to dig for it. So basically, the thermostat is back here somewhere there. The housing is right there, but of course you can't get to it just by you have to take this egg box out, but you can't take this out also because the fan is blocking it from coming all the way out. So some way you just have to wiggle your way through the tiny hole to get some things out. You'd have to take the radiator hose out, take out the thermostat housing, and plug the wires back. I have to take out the ECUs and everything, but it's not an easy job, but I'm gonna tackle it. Okay, so I got a new thermostat in, and I just connected the old radiator hose back in there, and I think what's next is I just gotta move the air box back into its original place, like that. And I have a feeling I should just change the engine temperature sensor. But unfortunately, I don't even know where that is. I'm thinking it's the one over there. Let me look into it and I'll come right back. The temperature sensor right there. I think I'm just gonna pop out that clip. I already took out the connector. Pop out that clip and I should be able to take it out. I think it's just a one-stop job. Just get everything done, so you don't have to come back there. And I'll tell you something. This does really help. The bungee cords, it definitely help. Holding things in place because everything is just in everything's way. Unfortunately, I probably won't change the radiator hose because it's getting dark. So terrible space back there, like you can't really get to do anything because the space right there is just so small to get to the clamps. So I'm just gonna do this and call it a day. And hopefully I'll change it. Hopefully it doesn't fail, but when it does fail, I'll just change it out. Stay tuned. Okay. So to take out the sensor, you're just gonna have to twist right there. Oh shit. You just keep twisting, and that's the temperature sensor right there. I got a used one. I got another one I'm gonna use. It's usually very recommended that when you change your thermostat, you should probably just change the sensor also, because they do tend to go bad at the same time. So I'm just gonna do that replacement also. Man. So like I said again in my other video, doing this again is gonna be like a reverse engineering, because I already done some of the taking out the parts. I'm a very newbie at this. I had to watch YouTube videos to get this done. It does take a lot of time. And I got this part. This is gonna be, it's not OEM Volvo, but the review said it works great, so I'm gonna put this in and see how great it works out. So I'm probably not gonna throw the old one away just to be on the safe side. Okay. So now I just got sure it's supposed to be twisted. I think it should just sit in there, but I probably have to twist that one because it's been sitting there for too long and it's already, I don't think it screws into anything. back because it clamps wide in a little hole. Yeah, I'm probably have to turn the video off now so I can do this in one piece. And it's usually very good to have one of those magnetic grabber thing so you can grab the stands once it fall in the back of the engine bay. Stay tuned. Put the ring back on. That's to secure the temperature sensor in place. Okay. Just to make sure, I'm probably gonna pull on it to make sure. Okay, so I probably didn't do a pretty good job, so it's coming out. Okay, I'll try it again. Okay, so I think I know what I did wrong, because in order to make sure it's sitting there properly, I have to really hear it click. Let me see if I can recreate that. Okay, so I took, I'm just taking it out, so the rubber garment keeps coming out of it, but it's easy to take it out. So again, I'm probably gonna have to, okay, now, I think I should be able to do it. So that's the, yes. So I have to put the garment back on. And let's see if I can recreate this. So you put it in. I think the problem was then I just put it in this way and I didn't get snap. So now you just have to you just have to make sure you hear the thing snap. And I'll just grab. Yep. So that's the metal ring. So now I think now it's coming on top of the metal plate thing on the sensor. So now I think it's fully secured. Yeah, I don't think it's going anywhere. So I think I'm just gonna put the connector back. Oh, excuse me for whizzing. It's sniffing or whizzing, whichever one it is, but it's getting cold out here. It was about 57 degrees earlier today, so I figured I can do it. And now the temperature's really dropping, and I think I'm almost done. I got that replaced. This was in my way, so I'm just gonna put it back. You really want to be careful. You don't want to bust your old palm because that sharp edges right there. It's really a pain. I don't know what that does, but it's going into something else back there, so I'm hoping I didn't pull on anything. But other people got different videos on how to do this, but for me, I just really disconnected that and I was able to put the box. So now I think I'm going back to the difficult part of it, which is putting the box back and plug the ECU back, and I think I'm done. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm putting back the box together. So one of the things you have to know, there are 3 hooks, not like hooks, like pointed thing that goes into a hole right there. So there's one right there, there's another one right there, and there's the last one right there. So all you have to do is just push them in, and it goes back in. It always helps to put a W40 so that way it makes the process a little easier. That's the airflow sensor. Put it back into the box. I kind of have a feeling like I should probably test it before I put everything together, but I'm just gonna put the mass airflow back in its place, and I'll test it out, see how it goes. This is my worst nightmare, and unfortunately, I just been confirmed. I don't know. Oh, thank God! I think they do have numbers on them. So yeah, thank God I can put them back together in their place. But what I'm using is I'm using the T27. That's what I'm gonna use for the to put the airflow sensor back in its place with the screw. So this goes right in there, and there's another one in the back. Oh yeah, I may have been mistaken. So I think it's T27, so you gotta pick 25. Definitely not 20. 15. Yeah, it's definitely T25. Yeah, it's definitely T25. So you just put that one there, and there's another one directly behind it. Okay, so definitely want to use a ratcheting screw. The angle you're working with. It's very critical so you don't have any vacuum leaks. Yeah, I think it's all bullet.